Alright guys, that was a little bit of a delayed start, I apologize. But it's Taylor, and today I'm bringing you guys another vlog. Hope you guys enjoy it. This one, I'm literally just going to be cruising to work. There's not much to it. I just uploaded my review about this. There's a few other things that I forgot to mention that I might mention in this. The heater on this, wonderful, love it. The AC, ooh, it keeps you cold. Heated seats, love them. Right now I'm using the Torque app right now to just see everything. Hello car. This is one of the worst roads in the neighborhood, I swear, because everyone parks on the street and stuff. But I mean, I do it too.
Icy conditions.
Oh, my app just told me caution icy conditions. But it's honestly insane with how little of room there is. But as you can see, I'm using the paddle shifters, or I can use the shifter right here. This car, really good torque band, kind of. It kind of falls off after 2200 RPM, maybe more, maybe less. But it's a fun car, and this road's weird. I don't know why there's no sidewalks on this road. There's always people walking on the road at night, and it's just really scary. Obviously, you're not speeding through here, but it's it just makes it a little more difficult, especially if there's a car coming this way. It makes it difficult to really just drive on it, especially when there's more cars. And yeah, but anyway guys, I am going to work, gotta be that working class man. But I'd love for you guys to comment, tell me, how you guys are doing, how was your New Year's and stuff like that. There's gonna be another car review soon, but it's not of my vehicles, it's actually of a friend's. So you'll have to check that out. I'm gonna be posting that everywhere. Temps are good right now. We can read the temps on this. Boost pressure, highest value we got through the neighborhood was 9. When I changed over to diesel, it no longer does vacuum, and the boost reads a lot better. EGTs are 400 right now. Max I saw, the highest value I saw right there was 890. So car's running really good. I need windshield washer fluid, as you can see right there. It does say to add windshield washer fluid, and then when I cycle through this, add wash fluid, service in 5,000 miles, and all that good stuff. Lights and vision, convenience, got all that. Snow tires if I need to change, speed for that. My average consumption so far right now for this trip, I actually just took my girlfriend food, 34.2 miles to the gallon. My average for the 114 miles I've driven is 31, so I mean, it's not bad, it's not good. Yeah, I wonder if we're gonna see someone get pulled over this time. I know in my last one I saw someone get pulled over, and that was pretty funny, not gonna lie. I laughed. As you can see what I was listening to, I don't know if you can see the radio or this little screen right here, but Bowling for Soup, Almost, wonderful song, recommend you listen to it. I'm not gonna play it obviously for copyright reasons, but it's an amazing song. This big dip right there that you always got to avoid because I feel like it's going to shatter the car. But yeah guys, I just wanted to do a quick little vlog. I don't know, I want to try and do them every day, maybe every other day. Try to get, my name out there. I need to do stuff to the car. If you look at the descriptions for now on, it's going to say mod list and what needs to be installed or what needs to be done. Obviously, I have my lowering springs still at the house. They need to be installed. And then my dad and I are going to be doing that custom 3-inch catback, so that's going to be fun. Hopefully get some noise out of this thing. And then the next is going to be the intake, because I just really want to hear the turbo noise. It's going to do that and the turbo muffler delete, because I really would just want to hear what this thing sounds like, because when you're next to a wall or something, you can hear the turbo spool up and it sounds really good, But I'm a big fan of how diesels sound, so maybe that's just me. Oh, look at this Volkswagen though. Dang. I like it. I heart haters. Stance wars. Says ass on the back. I dig it. I dig it. It's got some tinted lights. wonder if it's the 2.5 or if it's the 1.8 or the 2.0, or not 2.0. Well, if it's a GLI, it'd be a 2.0, my bad. But I don't think it's a GLI. But I wonder if it's like the 1.8, 2.5, or 1.4. I think it's a little too old to be a 1.4. It's definitely low though. Love to see my car sit like that. But he's on some Raceland coilovers, because Raceland, you know, local here in Utah and stuff like that. And sorry, car, I need to get over. But the DSG in this, I love. You don't actually have to shift it. It shifts at 4,200 RPM and then downshifts by itself as well. But it's just cool to have, you know, that control over the car still. I know manual, you know, I like manual more. But in these cars, it just didn't really, I don't know, it didn't really fit. So, oh, looks like we're gonna be following this Volkswagen. Volkswagen love! Huh. Jenny, Black Jenny. Ooh, is that a Sonic Yellow WRX? Man, I love but hate Subarus. You know, body styles are cool. Motor reliability, I mean, if you don't take care of it, it could, you know, could be better. But yeah, guys, dang, looks like I'm not going to be with that. Oh, there goes the Subaru. It's got the rally armor mud flaps, like every Subaru, I swear. But if there's any videos you guys want to see or anything like that, I'm going to try and do more reviews of my other friends' cars. We'll see what happens though. Let's see how the construction is on this road today. Doesn't look too bad. Speed limit's 30 through here, and I definitely don't speed through this construction zone, especially after, you know, seeing that car get pulled over on the highway yesterday. First, because I was already kind of speeding through that construction zone, and that car passed me going probably another 15 over me, so I think he was probably going about 25 over. I think in Utah that's reckless driving, so yikes. This is not going to be a fun ticket. Some of my friends asked me why I didn't get a GTI. I don't know, it's totally random. But some of my friends asked, why didn't you get a GTI? Like, why'd you get a TDI? Well, I couldn't get approved for like a GTI. There was a GTI at the dealership that I was browsing at, but it just was a little out of my price range. I mean, this was a little out of my price range, but I mean, made it happen anyway. So, insurance is less than what I was paying on my last car, the red Fiat. So that's a plus. Payment on this, it's a little more, literally a little more. They have 2, 4, 6, 8 lights here, and they're not even done building them yet, and I hope that they finish soon. I know why they're doing that light right there. This just gets so busy. It's 90th, and it's crazy busy. But, so, yeah guys, I don't really know what to talk about on this, so, you know, probably kind of repeating myself with a lot of videos, and I apologize. I just need some go fast parts, you know, like, I want to tune it. I'm going to have Kerma TDI tune this, going to get their tuner and make another 100 foot-pounds of torque after I get the exhaust and intake. I don't know if I want to just do a drop-in filter for now, if I want to go full cold air. Obviously, the cold air is going to be better, but we'll see what happens. So yeah, guys, we'll go from there, and I hope y'all have a wonderful day.
Top dog, buy them all, yeah, I'm burning it up. DPGC, you should be turning it up. CBT, LBC, yeah.